What's up guys? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to start your 1984 Yamaha QT50 moped. It's super simple, so let's get into it. So to start, we'll begin at the handlebars. Your key, you're going to want to put in the start or run position. It really doesn't matter. From there, you're going to want to make sure that your kill switch is on run right in the middle. Off is going to kill your motor, and you'll have no spark. So make sure you're in the run position. Then from there, on cold days, you'll want to turn your choke on, turn that all the way to the left. And once you get the bike running, let it run for about 20 to 30 seconds with that on, and then you'll turn it off. Now on the right side of the bike, you have your petcock. You'll either want to be on or reserve. We'll turn it on because we have a full tank of gas. And then from there, you're going to kick your bike over and it should start right up. So there you go guys, that's how you start your 1984 Yamaha QT50. Hope this helps and ride safe.